issued them for Saturday into Sunday because of some potentially messy weather. Once again, this is a winter weather system that looks like it's going to bring us a little bit of everything for pretty much everybody. It's just a matter of timing at this point. On Saturday, we're talking about the potential for some snow showers earlier in the day. In the afternoon, we'll see some mixed precipitation as well as some dry times. And then late Saturday night, we'll see that start to transition back to snow. On Sunday, we're mostly worried about snow showers. Yes, there will be a little bit of mixed precipitation in the morning, but snow showers earlier in the day are expected on Sunday. And then after the weather system moves out on Sunday, we're talking about temperatures dropping down to single digits in the morning on Monday with wind chills well below zero. Here's what that looks like on First Alert Future Track. We're advancing in time to Friday. The rest of the day today, a few snow flurries coming in off the lake. That'll end around lunchtime here. Friday, most of the day is going to be good until we get to about 11 p.m. or so. Then we'll start to see some of that moisture push in. But really, we won't experience the impacts, at least it looks like right now, until we get to very early on Saturday morning. Warm air is going to start to push in late Saturday morning, and that's where we're going to start to see some of this snow change over to potentially, yes, some freezing rain and potentially some rain showers. So as we go throughout the late morning on Saturday, you saw that there's some pinks mixing with some greens and some blues and some purples. This is rain, freezing rain, sleet and snow, all possible late Saturday morning with some dry times in the afternoon. And as long as we've got that warmer air mass in place at the surface, precipitation is likely going to be mixed. I'm talking snow possible, sleet possible, freezing rain possible, and rain. But I do believe right now, with this weather system, sleet and freezing rain are less of a concern than what they have been for the past couple of weather systems. Advancing in time now, Saturday evening, 7 p.m., we're seeing a pretty sharp divide as to how far north that snow is and how far north the rain pushes. Fort Wayne could be talking about all rain on Saturday evening, but then the cold air is going to start to push in on Sunday morning, and then we'll start to see any moisture that's left over Sunday morning start to transition from that mix to mostly just snow, which snow is the only concern for your Sunday. And we're talking about travel delays too possible on Saturday into Sunday. So if you're driving across the area, plan to give yourself plenty of time to get to where you need to be safely, especially if you're somebody who's driving maybe to Michigan, along the lakeshore especially. These are areas where travel could be especially slow because the further north that we're going with these weather systems, the more likely that it's going to be snow on Saturday into Sunday, and less likely that there's going to be any mixed precipitation with it. So Michigan is likely to see more snow than Indiana, but still, even if you're traveling south, there's a little bit of that mixed precipitation possible throughout the entire weekend and into Sunday, and we won't see those travel delays improve until we get to about Monday morning, but that Monday morning time frame is when it's going to be the coldest. Temperatures on Sunday afternoon expected to be in the mid-20s with wind chills in the teens. Then after that weather system moves out, like I mentioned before, we're seeing those temperatures drop down into the single digits by the time Monday morning rolls around. And the wind chill values, the actual feel-like temperature, is going to be single digits below zero, looking like anywhere between -2 to -11 or 12 even, and we could possibly get as cold as 15, 20 below zero. But right now, there's not a good consensus among our long-range weather models that that is definitely going to happen. So that's why we've not issued first alert weather days yet for Monday and Tuesday.